The Industrial Revolution had significant impact on the urban population, especially the working poor. The privileged classes continued to live a life of luxury and privilege, but certainly those that had immigrated from the rural areas through this great first phase of urbanization lived in squalor and unimaginable conditions in terms of today's standards. One can see in these images from the French artist Gustave Doré the type of living conditions, the type of urban conditions that existed in industrial England. Certainly, not only the living conditions, but also the consequences of those living conditions, which led to early childhood death, epidemics of cholera, and other diseases, which disseminated the urban population. Photography also allows us to see in real terms some of the living conditions. Here in Glasgow, both the conditions of the housing, and one can see the humidity, the deteriorating fabric, but also one can also see the conditions in which the worker found himself. And just as a reminder of the consequences of industrialization, this image of children who were part of the industrial workforce, some as young as 5 and 6 years old, working 10 hours a day, and this lasted until almost the end of the century.